In a recent interview with Xinhua, a Kenyan economist has expressed optimism on prospects of China's economy in 2024, stressing its significance to the world.
So I think the prospects are bright. Why I believe that if the economic prospects of China are bright next year, 2024, the rest of the world is going to benefit. Because China is a big importer, China is a big exporter. So a lot of countries depend on China for trade. So we hope that China will continue being the locomotive of the world.
Iraqi also said he hopes that the technological transfer from China will empower Africa in fostering development.
China has consistently been very good as in big infrastructure projects, roads, railways, ports. Because I believe one area that China has done very well is in terms of science and technology. So I expect in future China to have a lot of technology transfer to maybe developing countries, Kenya, Africa and so on.